Hey guys, what's up? The time has come to talk a little bit about the assembly of the components, guides, seats and valves. You experts know they need special attention at the time of the assembly for a perfect engine operation. First of all, I want to show you the tools and equipment used for the assembly. We start with the hydraulic press. In a simple way, it is the most recommended for installing guides and seats, but, of course, double attention on the interference between the housing and the components. Guys, now I will show you the measurement instruments used in this control. These are extremely important and restricted measures, so before start measuring, we suggest you to check and calibrate the instruments if necessary. Well, here are the micrometers. We are now using the 0 to 25 millimeters and 25 to 50 millimeters. We also have flicks and calipers. Now it's hands-on. We have the housing measurements for all the oversize we have available in our catalog. And for each cylinder, we perform the steps we are going to show next in order to guarantee the perfect assembly. Now is the time to apply the valve seat. Pay close attention to the housing. It must always be in perfect condition so that the seat fits well and no shims or loosening occurs. After applying the seats, pay a genuine attention to the guide. Correct the interference and never forget the use of a reamer to calibrate both the valve guide roll and the valve passage roll. And guys, when we talk about valves, it's important to emphasize the fit between the angle of the valve and the seat, using always the correct tools for machining the seat, ensuring the complete sealing of the cylinder. After these steps, the cylinder head is ready for the final assembly, which are the valve stem seals, tappets and rocker arms. And in the next video, we will continue talking about assemblies.